Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about what is NIC teaming. NIC stands for Network Interface Card. So NIC teaming is a technique of grouping physical network adapters to improve the redundancy. It is also known as load balancing technique. It is used to improve the overall performance. In this, multiple NIC cards join together and operates as a single entity. Suppose if you are working as a team, NIC teaming improves your bandwidth and reduced the chance of failover. So with NIC teaming configured, if one of the network adapters fails, other will take place of it. And you can add 232 physical adapters to an NIC team. So let's see what is uh, NIC teaming. So in your server manager on local server, here is option NIC teaming. It is disabled right now. Just click on it. So here right now it is showing there is only one network adapter. So we have to add more network adapters to see the NIC teaming. So let's add some network adapters settings. Add network adapter. For this demonstration, I'm going to add three network adapters to it. Now here our network adapters are visible here. Now what we have to do is we have to simply click on here tasks and create new team. Give any name to your team like uh, team A, and here select all the network adapters, and here are some additional properties here. Now teaming mode. In this teaming mode, this option sets how the group interacts with the network switches. So there are three options: switch independent. In switch independent, we don't need any other switch, any additional switch to configure. If this mode is on, you can connect different network adapters to the different network switches. And these two options are switch independent. So for these two options, we need to configure the switch, and we have to connect our network adapters to that switch. For this demonstration, I'm going to use switch independent. And here is an option load balancing mode. So load balancing mode sets how a network traffic is distributed between the your team, NICs of your team. So there are three options: dynamic, Hyper-V, and address hash. So address hash is like it assign a special hash each of your physical adapter, and all the traffic from a specific sender will go through the NIC. So Hyper-V is like when you have any server with the Hyper-V role enabled, you can choose this option. And dynamic is combining the both of the balancing types. So for this demonstration, I'm going to use address hash. And here is an option standby adapter. Standby adapter is like we can choose any of the NIC adapter as a standby. That adapter is not used to process traffic. That means that adapter is standby initially, and if some of the other adapter fails or any fault comes, so this adapter takes place of that. For example, uh, if you choose a network adapter 3, it will remain standby. If adapter 0 will fail, and this adapter takes place of 0. So for this demonstration, I am only choosing the none option. You can also set the VLAN option here. Right now it is default. Okay. Now after that, click on OK. Now it is activating the network adapters. Now our all the adapters are active. Now here, see, if we go to our network settings, just wait, refresh. If we go to our network settings, now here is our team A is created. Now if we check the properties of these are empty because these all are getting, now will get the IP from this team A. Now we have to configure the IP of this adapter. Click on properties. Now click on IPv4. Here we can set the IP for our server like okay. Okay. Close. Now here our team is configured. Now we can check this by our local machine. Like it is a my Windows 10 machine. If I try to ping my server from here, like here. Now if I now here if we go to our network adapter settings, and if we disable these two network adapters, and if we check here, now here it is saying disabled fault is not found. Now in our machine we will get the responses. So in this way NIC teaming works. So if you simply delete this team, your all the information restored back, all the network adapters restored back to the previous state. Now if we simply delete this, refresh, all the internets are restored back to the previous state. Okay. So thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos.